Hey guys, it's Tony. So a lot of people did want a full TA kind of update on Bitcoin and where I think it's going. Um, to be completely honest, I think it's bullish. I think it's completely bullish. I think we actually just created brand new support. Um, right here on the 38,175 level. I think we're creating support. I think we're creating a bottom on the day chart and on the 4 hour. While we are turning a little bit bullish, recent moves when the 4 hour goes bearish, it just goes sideways. It goes down a little bit sideways. It trades sideways. It might go a little bit down. I think if we do go back down, I think the worst case is we'll go back to 33, rebound, and then go back up. But as of right now, I do think we're creating a bottom at 38,000. I think we're well on our way, headed back to creating brand new all-time highs. Like that's just what the TA is showing me. I don't need to spend a bunch of time letting you guys know what's gonna happen, but yeah, it does seem like we're creating a bottom right here at that 38,000 level. I do think that by the end of this weekend, we are going to be, creating. We're going to be doing maybe new all-time highs. Like the last time, I think the breaking point for BTC, we do need to break that 41,486 level in order for us to kind of skyrocket a little bit higher. But I'm 100% bullish. I mean, the month indication, like on the month chart, we're looking super bullish. On the week chart, again, we're looking super bullish. There's no reason for anybody to be bearish at this point. Like, no, I don't. There's no reason for anybody to think that we're gonna be going, headed down. I do think right now this 38,571 level. I do think that's gonna be, I do think right now we're retesting support. The 38,175 was support. I do think right now we're gonna be headed upwards. That's exactly what I think is going on. If anything, we'll probably trade sideways a little bit here before going upwards. But at the end of the day, I'm 100% bullish. As you can see on the stochastic, last time we were around this level, we were here and then we could just kind of moonshot all the way, right? So we went from 19,000 all the way to 41,000. So we did like a full 100%. It does. I mean, as long as we're bullish on the week chart, on the month chart, it does look like we might do the same thing. I don't want to say my price target for the next bull run is going to be a full 100%, but at this rate, it does look like we might be headed towards $80,000 in the next. How long did this last? How long was this bull? Let's check this. Let's check this kind of let's see what the last how long it took to actually do this little bull run right here going on, right? So let's go from. Let me delete this first. I don't think I need this. Let's see. From previous lows to highs, we actually did. From recent low. Should I do it for low? Where we are, right here at the break. Actually, we'll go from here. From recent low, too high. We did a solid 132%. If that's going to be the same case, I think the next price target, we actually moved up 23,000, let's say points, right? But let's do from the previous low, right? So previous low, and then let's go with highs. So let's see, 23,890 around here. I mean, next price point, we can definitely hit 53,000. I think over 50K. I think once we actually retest this support and then blast off, I think the next spot we're gonna be sort of hovering over is gonna be that 50K mark, between 50K, maybe 53, 54, 55. I definitely think that next price range is gonna be where we're headed. Last time this took 28 days. So from now, maybe a month from now, I do think that we'll probably end up there. So what's a month from now? February 5th, maybe February 5th, February, I don't know, 8th, 10th. Is that like a weekend? It does look like we're going to be favoring the bullish side for the next month or so. And I think right now I am going to be calling the bottom here at the 38. At this $38,000 level. What is it? 38,175. Yeah, I think I'm probably going to call the bottom here at 38,175. I think the next rally is going to hit and we're going to be headed back to 50K. Well, not back to 50K, but I think we're going to pass previous all-time highs this weekend. It looks like we are going to be doing that because weekends we do tend to rally. And I think as of right now, I think we're fully headed to, to 50K. I think in a month or so, we're probably gonna hit $50,000, maybe even less time. But yeah, as of right now, super bullish on Bitcoin. I think next stop is gonna be 50,000 bucks, if not a little bit higher, and I think it's gonna happen within the next month. So I'll see you guys later. The TA supports it. Like the video, comment, whatever, share with your friends. I don't give a fuck, dude. Just if you guys think this is like what I'm saying is correct or whatever, just share it with your peeps or whatever. Give me a shout out and stuff. But that's where I think we're headed. I think next stop is gonna be 53,000. Anywhere between 50K and 55, I think is gonna be the next stop for Bitcoin. And I think as Bitcoin rallies, I think everything else is gonna rally, and I do think Doggy Coin is gonna break all time highs within the next month. So we'll see.